Umintri rang ba kajala ukonrat ke sangma uloong ba Jingiap Jong Khun Sniang kamdei na Kano ka Jingpang henrei kadei na kadaw ba ki ha banyak Lynti ba Jngai na kawai ka jaka sya kawai pan habaklan ba kilap thai khubor manda ka sngi ka apnu tarik unai lur umintri rang ba kajala ulai thu ba kadaw ba ki Khun Sniang kiap kalong namar ba ki dan ki hajat li ki Khun Sniang balakit ha kaju ka kali bat ki ha banyak hadu anelai sngi na kawai ka jaka sya kawai umintri rang ba uloong ba hadian ba kilayo jingtip badan ki Khun Sniang bayap na kaliang ka sarkar kan samyang ki Khun Sniang sya kitu ki badai banyo.
The piglets have to travel almost 2 to 3 days while they are being transported from different parts of the country today. And obviously in tough situations, difficult situations, transportation of thousands of piglets can have casualties, and that is what has happened. And those piglets that have died purely because of the transportation issues, which are unavoidable in one way, because one cannot really give that kind of a personal attention to all of them. So there are deaths that happen, but it is not because of any kind of disease or anything like that, which is being made to look as if it's that. It's purely because of the challenges during the transportation. And wherever we have got reports and we have proper proof that the piglets have died, we have assured the beneficiaries that we will be replacing them also. So absolutely not, there is no concern of any kind of disease among the piglets that have been destroyed.